All right, so I always plan an extra day to review 3-4 because it's the densest section. There's a lot of stuff in it, so it's worth getting some extra practice with it. So that's what this particular set of videos is about. First thing, and I encourage you with all these videos to pause them and try the problems on your own first, because none of this stuff is new. We've had videos on all these before, so it's not brand new stuff, and it's worth practicing before you take a look at the answer. Here we have to decide if something is a permutation, which means the position matters, or if it's a combination, which means the position or the order does not matter. Okay, and then we have to find the actual number. So this one says selecting which 7 players will be in the batting order. Now you might say, well, there's the word order, so it means order mattered. But again, here we're saying who gets to bat at all. We have 11 people, only 7 of them get to pick. So let's say, these are our 7 people. I guess I need one more. Albert, Bernard, Charles, Daniel, Evan, Frank, and George. Okay, versus this right here. If I scramble them around a little bit. And the question is, does it matter? Does, in this particular scenario, who gets to bat? All 7 of these guys get to bat. In this scenario, who gets to bat? All 7 of them still get to bat. So it doesn't matter if Albert gets picked first or if George gets picked first. The order is not important because they're all going to get to bat. So in this case, it's going to be 11 total people. We're not picking, we're choosing. The order doesn't matter, which means it's a combination. So we're choosing 7. 11, choose 7. And if you put that in your calculator, you will end up getting 330. I'm just going to double check that that's the right answer, and that's what I got when I put it in. Here, number 2, a group of 45 people going to run a race. The top 3 get gold, silver, and bronze. Permutation or combination, here the order does matter. It matters if it's Albert, Bernard, Charles versus Charles, Albert, Bernard. Albert's getting the gold in this situation, and Charles is getting the gold here. So the order definitely matters. That means it's going to be a permutation, and it's got to be total number of people, and we're picking how many. We have 45 total runners, and we are picking runners in the top 3. So we're 45 pick 3. And let's see what that equals. It's a huge number. It's 85,140, and these numbers do tend to get pretty large.